It's a cool winter's day here and the camellias are in full bloom. There's so many varieties of camellia out there and they're still one of the most popular flowers to have in the garden. In this tutorial I'll show you my approach to painting a camellia with a single flower, a bud and some character-filled foliage. In this tutorial I will show you the brushes that I use. I will demonstrate the application of masking fluid using a fine nib. We cover how to mix a versatile green for the camellia foliage. I will show you the wet on wet technique that I use for the foliage and for the flower. I demonstrate the use of transparent and opaque colours. And finally how to add fine detail to our painting.